Hey Amazon sellers, get the latest on what's happening on Amazon here every single Friday. I'm Jenna Lieber with Turnkey Product Management, the Amazon experts. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. Hey guys, it's Jenna. I am here to talk to you about a new Amazon advertising program called Posts. So Posts is basically a browse and discover experience on Amazon that really is just meant to focus on brand shopping, where basically it's almost like they're going through social media, but on your actual Amazon listing, which is really exciting. So basically what this is meant to do is it's meant to help shoppers just discover new products and see just what's new from your brands by browsing just different feeds that you have already been most likely curating, right, for your social media, which is awesome. So this program is currently free, and I'm actually going to post the link to it for you guys to be able to check it out and sign up. But currently free to sign up, and essentially the whole point is it's to post to get customers participating on your actual listing. So what's really great about this feature is it's going to give you different metrics. So it's going to be very similar actually to Amazon advertising metrics, but you're not paying for it, which is great, right? So you're going to be able to see engagement metrics like just views, clicks, click-through rates, really seeing just how people are responding to your brand. So we went ahead and posted pictures of just what these posts look like on our What's New on Amazon email. But also when we send you this link, you'll be able to see just different screenshots of what this will look like on your page. But it's really cool, and it's really just a great way for customers to discover your products, to understand your products better, and of course just to browse through what you have to offer. So I mean, what we want you to look when we are looking at this feature, Posts, right, you know, we want you to think of it kind of just as another social media platform. Really, that's our goal. So the way we think about it is you should be posting on Posts as frequently as you do on social media, really just updating it with content, really just trying to provide as much as possible for customers, because this is a feature that not everyone is using, right? So you want to take advantage of it now before everyone jumps on the bandwagon, right? So you're able to publish multiple posts for the same product across a wide range of products, right? So it's really only right now available in the US, and it's available on the Amazon mobile shopping app. So what type of content you should post, right? So that's another really great question. Amazon helps you out with this, really just walking you through it. But it's really just great to just help create content where customers can learn about your brand and of course learn about the product. That's really what they are trying to do with Posts. So quite honestly, here at Turnkey, what we really think you should do is really focus on your brand, focus on trying to show customers who you are, what your brand is all about. So what you will be able to do is there will be a few different options. So you're going to have a category feed, related post feed, related brand detail page free, and brand own detail page. So that is where your posts are going to be showed up. There's going to be 4 different options there, which will be great to use. So what we really think in terms of using this feature, obviously it's brand new, right? So there's not tons of data just on Posts yet. But one thing we want you to keep in mind is, you know, Amazon really is changing their platform. They're trying to make it more user-friendly. They're trying to make it look more like websites, more honestly just more appealing, right, in general. So it is important you're taking advantage of this feature, you're trying out this feature, giving it a shot, and really just taking the time to enroll in the program and of course produce content that will be useful for the actual program. So like I said, I am going to put the link to sign up for Posts, and you also can find out more about Posts based off of Amazon's little introduction here to it. So you can sign up for it, and of course you can go ahead and register, like I said, and then you can also just learn a little bit more about it, see what it's all about. But what's really great, guys, if you are already involved with social media, if you're already producing that content, what's great is you can take that content you've already used on social media and put it into Posts, right? So it's not necessarily an issue of producing new content, but rather it's just making sure it's being posted in social media as well as on Amazon. Now, as far as Posts goes, that's That's all the questions we have right now, or I'm sorry, that's all we have right now. But if you have any questions, definitely feel free to reach out to us. We're always here to help. Our team is currently experimenting with posts right now. So if we have any really awesome updates for you, we will let you guys know. But what are you waiting for? Get involved with this program before everyone else does. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Here at Turnkey, we are committed to bringing you the ultimate best. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe by hitting the bell here. See you in the next video.